Hello dear students, in this video lecture we will discuss the calculation of number of radial node or spherical node, angular node or nodal plane or total number of nodes. This is very important for NEET and JEE point of view. So how we will learn? So suppose we have any subcell. Suppose we have any subcell that is 4p. So for 4p, the formula for the radial node, the formula of the radial node is radial node is equal to n minus l minus 1, and putting the value of n, by putting the value of n, 4 minus l, value of l is 1 for p, subcell value of n is 1, so 1 minus 1 equal to 2. Number of radial node is 2. So in this way, for angular node is equal to L. So for 4p, angular node is 1 equal to 1, and formula for total number of node, and this comes out n minus 1. This is 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So in this way we can calculate the radial node, angular node, and total number of node. So one more example. For example, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s. The number of angular node is always equal to L equal to 0, because L value for S is 0, and for 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, and so on 6p, the angular node is L equal to 1 for p. So angular node for all of these is equal to 1 for 3d, 4d, 5d, 4f, 5f, 6f. Angular node is equal to L equal to 2. L for D subcell is 2. So all have angular node equal to 2, and these all have angular node equal to L value equal to 3. So for all these angular node equal to 3, for all these angular node equal to 0, for all these angular node is equal to 1, but they have different value of radial node. For 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s equal to n minus l minus 1, and it is equal to total node, sorry, it is equal to radial node 0 1 2 3. So radial or angular node is equal to 0 for all, and total node equal to n minus 1. So for 1s 2s 3s 4s, n minus 1 0 1 2 3, these are total nodes. So in this way we can calculate the number of nodes, and total number of node, angular node, radial node. This is the radial node, this is angular node, and this is total number of node. Similarly for other we can calculate. For example 2p 3p 4p. Radial node equal to n minus l minus 1 is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 1, that is 0 1 2, and angular node equal to l equal to 1 1 1, and total node equal to n minus 1. टोटल नोड कितना हो जाएगा यहाँ पे 2 minus 1, that is 1, n minus 1. This is the n value, this is n value. So n value n minus 1 equal to 2, and this is equal to 3. So total node is equal to n minus 1 equal to 1 2 3. So dear students, I hope it is clear to you. Radial node, angular node, and total number of node. Thank you.